What if you're not just flying a drone, but building it? How do you keep it from being hijacked? Can someone spoof your flight path? Cybersecurity isn't just for users, it's for builders. Every part of your drone is a system: motors, cameras, wireless signals, and GPS. If your code is exposed, your drone can be intercepted. If your communication is not encrypted, anyone can listen in. With AI, you can monitor for anomalies, simulate attacks, and test defenses. Secure design is what separates a hobbyist from an engineer. Cybersecurity starts at design. Would you like to know more?